Hi, welcome to Mr. Mac Works. Well, here is another Western Star truck I started using way back when in the early 2000s, early to mid 2000s, I guess. At that time, I was doing a lot of dump truck work for the highway department, and they had asked me if I'd be interested in working winter times. And at that time, I had a near brand new truck, couple-year-old truck, and this is the one I used to use. So we had this one. I had a front plow on it, bottom plow, and its wing had wings on both sides. I didn't use the wings on both sides very often. I mostly would use the wing on the passenger side. So it was a very good truck, 18 speed. I loved it. And this one here was a 6x6, very good truck for running in the mountains. I loved it, and that's a truck I ran for, I don't know, 3-4 years, and I loved it. And they don't have it anymore; just get to be too wore out and eaten up by rust. But yeah, it was a very good truck, and I still miss it today because we did everything with it, and we also for dump truck work with it, and doing road building and other projects we had to do at the time. Yeah, so it was a very good truck. So I miss it, but I like my Western Star trucks. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. Remember to comment, like, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you next one. Bye for now.